What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to be replacing the daytime running lights and sockets. You can see this one's pretty burned up and toasted. Here's what we're going to be putting in. A socket on each side and a LED bulb on each side. To get at the lights, pull out this pin. Don't lose it. And this one comes out. I flip that light up like this to get it out of the way. Then to get this lower light out, there's a little tab right here that you push in, and that frees this thing up. You just pull her out. This socket is the one we'll be replacing. Give it a twist, and it comes out. After you've tested out the socket with a new bulb or your multimeter and you've confirmed that it's done for, it's time to replace the socket. So we're cutting her loose. Okay. Here's the new set of sockets I got from Amazon. Came with 2 sockets and enough crush connectors to connect the wires. I don't like using these if I can help it, because solder lasts and shrink wrap lasts a lot longer. Okay, and we're just twisting these guys together. Now it's time to solder. Got these helping hands from Harbor Freight. I just stuck a ceramic magnet to the bottom of them so that it's easier to work on something metal where it doesn't move around on you. Okay, ready. After I soldered it, hit it with some, the heat shrink and then some electrical tape. Got it looking nice. Doesn't matter which color wire goes into each one. They're reversible, so don't worry about that. And then let's test it out. Okay, got everything buttoned back up. Got the truck in the sun. Put it in gear, and lights come on. Good to go.